Hello everyone. My name is Dejani Bukala. I'm from Mapti University, Department of Computer Science Staffs. Today I'm going to discuss about structure query language, one of the relational database management system, what we just apply in every company, many companies. Okay. Here is my content of presentation. First, I will discuss about a little introductory about a structure query language. Then I will discuss about structured query language use here, the use of unstructured query language, and the scope or the application area of structured query language, where we just apply structured query language. I will discuss that, and finally I will discuss about by just mentioning some organization which mainly are employing the structured query language in their company, okay, within their employee. Let me start from the introduction. As you know, data is generated from various sources, various domains by different company at any time or daily. All those generated data is actually stored digitally in computer. So almost all in the information on the internet is just stored in some type of server or database, which means also operated by different companies. In order to use and manipulate those stored data, we need a medium or a query medium, okay? Just to make those data accessible and convenient for the use. One way is using a structured query language, one of the relational database management systems, and also the uh, Invest known database management system for streamline processing of data collection, storing the data in database, and also retrieving data from the database. So many structured query languages developed in 1970s as one of the primary query language for just stream processing in the relational database management system. Structured query language also enable us just the same database run on different computer at the same time. So uh, that's character making the structured query language useful while working in the office within their company. Okay, so starting from the creation, upgradation, maintenance, there are many SQL use. We just mention those by the we call it by structured query language sub language like data manipulation language, data definition language, data control language. Let me start from data definition language. Among us, the prominent use of SQL or sub-language of SQL is data definition language. It's mainly about defining and modifying the structure of data or just making the schema of data. Okay, some of the operation done under the data definition is like creating, altering, deleting table, and as they are table. It is the basic or the most important operation done under data definition language. The other is data manipulation language. Data manipulation about manipulating, okay, about changing within the data, which means about dealing about just ability to just maintaining an already existing database. In data definition language, it's about creating the database or defining the database. But in data definition language, we just maintaining the existing database which is defined by the data definition language, or just uh, changing the data, like by or inserting what we define here, or deleting what we define here, or modifying people on the table what we define data definition language. Also querying one or more table from data definition. This is called data manipulation language. The other is data control language. When SQL is applied as a data control language, it's merely controlling the permission or right to perform certain action on the database. Okay, certain action. So just giving permission or revoking the permission from the user in order to act or just make certain action on the database. So there are two basic operation in the data control language. The first one is granting, giving permission, revoking, taking permission, do not access the or just making certain action on the database. Those are the basic sub-language of structured query language. When it comes to the application and the scope of structured query language, the first is backend development. Okay, backend development mainly software application which is created and include the integration of the front end within a database so that the user directly interacting or simply interacting within a database without any just problem, okay, without any problem or constraint. That's a package. Also, database administrator, okay. A database administrator for one company might ensure that with the duty like updating, maintaining, adding to the data online within of an organization or a company, okay. And also the database administrator, by the help of SQL, make sure that their data is kept secure, as well as the integrity of the data within an organization must be maintained. So this is one application of structured query language for database administration. The other is for data analysis, okay. Data analysis, which is about sorting through large amounts of data from large amount of data, just preparing the result and observation for a future plan or for a future plan about their organization based on the analysis of the data, based on analysis of the data by the help of structured query language. In simple terms, when you just see data analysis task with the responsibility goes through a lot of data or available data on some specific subject, find the combination on that and the trend within that data so that from that result, depending on the result of the analysis, the manager or the employee of company might use those analysis results for decision making, okay, or practiced by the top management of the organization of the company. Okay, this is one way. The other is in data science, which is actually similar job with a data analyst, but about dealing or preparing the suitable data model to be just used by the data analyst. It's generally about using an algorithm code in SQL to derive the required result for data analysis, and also help the data analysis in implementing those algorithms. So just streamlining the whole process or the data management or data analysis process for the given data. Also, we can apply or employ a structured query language in marketing, like for the just in order to analyzing like the impact of market campaign, and find out the target demography of the market. Also, customer behavior analysis as some application of structured query language in marketing domain. When you say in all, the developer, data scientist, accountant, business employ structured query language for data management or data analysis purpose. Okay. When you see some of the organization or a big company which is used a structured query language in their company or their work is like Netflix, LinkedIn, Amazon, Flipkart, Instagram, Uber, even a small company and the startup employee use SQL for data analysis purpose. Thank you very much. This is all of my presentation. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.